Hello, I am Thomas Jefferson. Can I choose another voice?
Hello, I am Thomas Jefferson. I like this voice. Although this voice sounds robotic, it fits me. An eye-gaze communication device serves as an instrument whereby individuals may wield dominion over a computer or other contrivance through the mere movement of their eyes. It typically involves a camera eye tracking, which observes ocular motion and transposes such movement into commands, enabling communication and navigation. These devices are commonly used by people with disabilities who may have limited or no use of their hands or voice.